Want to hide certain menu items on your WordPress site for users who aren't logged in? This is perfect for creating members-only sections or keeping content private until someone logs in. I'm Carmen, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do it using paid member subscriptions and a simple add-on. First thing first, make sure you have paid member subscriptions installed and activated on your site. All you have to do is head over to Plugins and click on Add New. Search for paid member subscriptions and click Install. Don't forget to activate the plugin. Once it's active, you'll see a new menu item in your dashboard. If you're planning to sell different types of access to your site, you should first create your subscription plans, so you can hide menu items based on these too. I already have a video on how to set this up on my channel, so go watch that first if you need help, and then come back. Next up, restricting menus. Navigation menu filtering is a basic add-on included with any paid member subscriptions license. So once you have the plugin installed and activated, go to Paid Member Subscriptions, Add-ons, find Navigation Menu Filtering, and click on Activate. With the add-on enabled, we're ready to start working with our menus. Head over to Appearance, Menus. If you don't already have one, create it by clicking the button Create a New Menu and add the specific pages you want included. However, since I already have one ready for my website, let's work with that. Click on a menu item to expand it, and you'll see the filtering options. Here you can choose who will be able to see this specific menu if you don't want it on display for everyone. If you choose to display an item to logged-in users only, you can go even deeper and select specific subscribers to show it to. For example, if I want the users subscribed to my Gold plan to be able to navigate to the premium content page, I will select Logged In Users and then tick the Gold subscription plan below. Let's take another example. Let's say I have a register link in my menu. I only want this to show to visitors who aren't logged in. By selecting Logged Out Users, anyone who's already logged in won't see that item anymore. You can also get creative. Maybe you have a list of plans link you want to show only to non-members to encourage signups. The add-on makes it easy to adjust this directly from the menu without touching any code. There's another cool trick. If you want to include direct action links like View Account or Cancel Subscription, make sure you set up an account page using the Paid Member Subscriptions account block or shortcode. Then you can add the custom menu items, and they'll only appear when the action is available to the user. This keeps your menu smart and context-aware. Once you've set everything up, it's time to test. Open your site in an incognito window to see how it looks for logged out users. Then log in with a member account to check that the right items show up based on subscription plans or roles. It's a simple way to make sure your menu works perfectly for everyone. And that's how you hide menu items for logged out users. Pretty easy, right? If this video helped, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what type of content are you going to restrict. See you in the next one!